Welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you some orders that Yanis has on Fiverr, and he already fulfilled them as an Instagram influencer that he is. And as we can see here, there are some orders over here. Let's click the first one. Okay, this order is for $5, and if we go here, you see that the person that came and bought from Yanis has already put a picture of their choice. It's this one, and Yanis also, asked for content for the post, including hashtags. Okay, that person just put some hashtags over here and the account name in the end. So Yanis actually did the rest of the content. He wrote some text. And yes, this is very easy. We have already shown in another video how to provide services as an influencer. And as you can see here, Yanis has put the price $5. This could seem for some people a low price, but he put it $5 because he wants to gather many reviews. And after he gathers many reviews, then he will increase the price, because people also, when they go to Fiverr or wherever else, even on Amazon, wherever there are reviews, the people check for the reviews also, and they see, oh, this person has 100 reviews, and all of the reviews are 4 and 5 stars. Then they will probably recommend this person, and they will go and buy from this person. So this is the strategy that Yanis uses. And other than this, you can also go to Instagram directly and direct message other people to get them promoted. Some people want to get promoted, some other people don't want to get promoted. So you find the people that want to get promoted, and if you have an account with many followers and you can provide actually a service of shout outs, then you can go and direct message people in Instagram. But other than Instagram, then you can come here and do it via Fiverr. And actually, when Yanis's followers get up to 40,000 people or 50,000 people, then he can change the price, and from $5 he can put it to $20. And after the reviews also go up, then he can easily have one sale per day. So with one sale per day on $20, he can have about $600 per month from Fiverr. So this is not bad, right? And yes, so basically this is the information on this video about Fiverr. And to start on Fiverr, click the link under the video and start as an Instagram influencer here. And yes, I hope this video was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.